In this video, I will be covering a company called Promobot that announced that they are looking for people with good facial features to use their faces forever for their robots in the year 2023 to put them in restaurants, hotels, and airports, where they will offer services for the customers. This company now distributes its robots to over than 43 countries around the world. Those robots are participating in a lot of the daily activities that the human being is working, but maybe later everything might change. Because there is a report that came out from a company called CPRA and the Chinese Genesis company that 50% of the jobs will vanish, like the jobs provided by the humans such as the receptionist, cashiers, and others. Also, the company Huawei announced that in the future the major global companies will depend on smart technology. So we are talking about a lot of human jobs will disappear. So let's say you went to the airport and you found out that there are a robot and a human. Who will you pick to complete your task?